no.
What happened?
I forgot to buy onions.
Again?
Hey, don't laugh.
I'm not laughing.
You are smiling.
Maybe the little.
This is serious.
Is it?
Yes, dinner needs onions.
We can survive without onions.
Maybe.
What are we cooking tonight?
Chicken and vegetables.
That sounds good.
I hope so.
You always say that.
Because I worry.
Your cooking is great.
Thank you.
Really, I mean it.
Okay, then you can help me.
Ah, here it comes.
Wash the vegetables.
Yes, chef.
Very funny.
Where are the carrots?
In the blue bag.
Oh, I see them.
And wash the tomatoes too.
Got it.
Careful with the tomatoes.
Why?
They are soft.
Like me after work.
You are tired today?
Very tired.
Long day?
Super long.
I'm sorry.
It's okay now.
Because you are home?
Yeah, home feels nice.
That's sweet.
And it smells nice here.
Really?
Well, mostly.
Mostly?
I think something is burning.
What?
I'm joking.
Don't scare me like that.
Sorry.
My heart stopped.
But honestly, it smells good.
Thank you.
So what do you need next?
Can you cut the carrots?
Sure.
Thin slices, please.
Like this?
A little thinner.
Oh, okay.
Cooking words are funny.
Why?
Thin, thick, slice, chop.
True.
English learners need kitchen English too.
Definitely.
Chop means cut into small pieces.
And slice means cut into thin pieces.
Very good.
I'm learning.
Slowly.
Hey,
I'm kidding.
I know.
Do you like cooking?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes?
I like eating more.
Honest answer.
What about you?
I like cooking when I'm relaxed.
And when you're stressed?
Then I order food.
Same.
But homemade food feels special.
Yeah, it feels warm.
Especially at night.
Especially after work.
Exactly.
Should I start the rice?
Yes, please.
How much water?
1 cup of rice, 1 cup of water.
Easy.
Wait,
What?
maybe a little more water.
Not easy anymore.
Cooking is about feeling.
That sounds dangerous.
It's true.
I like instructions.
I know.
Step 1, Step 2, Step 3.
But food is different.
That's why you cook better.
Maybe.
Do you cook with music?
Sometimes.
Let's play something.
Good idea.
Slow music.
Yes, something relaxing.
Okay,
Ah, I like this song.
me too.
Cooking feels nicer with music.
Everything feels nicer with music.
Drew,
Oops,
what happened?
I dropped a carrot.
Just one.
Maybe two.
The floor can eat those carrots.
Thank you, Floor.
You're so strange.
I'm funny.
Sometimes.
I'll take that.
Can you hand me the oil?
Here.
Thanks.
Wow, the pan is hot.
Very hot.
I heard the sound.
That sizzling sound.
Yeah,
It means the pan is ready.
cooking sounds are satisfying,
They really are.
especially when garlic hits the pan.
Oh, yes.
Best smell ever.
I agree.
Did you already add salt?
Not yet.
Don't forget.
Why do you say that?
Last time,
Oh no.
you forgot salt.
Don't remind me.
I drank so much water that night.
You survived.
Barely.
Drama king.
Maybe.
Taste this.
Okay.
Careful, it's hot.
MMM.
Well,
Needs more salt.
really?
Just a little.
Okay.
And maybe pepper.
Good idea.
Teamwork.
Yes, cooking teamwork.
We should cook together more often.
I'd like that.
It's relaxing.
And fun.
Even with missing onions.
Stop talking about the onions.
Sorry.
I still feel bad.
Don't.
I wanted dinner to be perfect.
It doesn't need to be perfect.
No.
We're together. That's enough.
Awa.
Was that too cheesy?
A little.
But true.
Thank you.
You look happier now.
I am happier now.
Good.
Can you set the table?
Of course.
Plates are over there.
I know where the plates are.
Good.
Forks too?
Yes, please.
Fancy dinner tonight.
Very fancy.
We'd even have water.
Wow, amazing.
5-star restaurant.
With no onions.
Okay, I'll stop.
Thank you.
The rice smells good.
Let me check.
Is it okay?
Perfect.
Really?
Yes.
I did something right.
Good job.
I'm proud of myself.
You should be.
What's next?
We wait a little,
Waiting is hard.
especially when hungry.
I'm very hungry.
Me too.
I skipped lunch today.
Why?
Too busy.
That's not healthy.
I know.
You need to eat.
Yes, Mom.
Hey,
Sorry.
but seriously, eat lunch.
I will tomorrow.
Promise?
Promise.
Good.
You care about me a lot.
Of course I do.
That feels nice.
You should take care of yourself too.
I'm trying.
That's enough.
You always know what to say.
Not always.
Mostly.
Dinner is ready.
Finally.
Sit down.
Yes, chef.
Stop calling me chef.
Never.
Try the chicken.
Okay.
Well,
Wow.
really?
This is amazing.
You're not joking?
No, it's delicious.
Thank goodness.
The vegetables are perfect too.
Even without onions?
Even without onions.
That makes me happy.
Homemade food is the best.
Especially when shared.
Yeah,
Today felt busy and stressful.
but now it feels peaceful.
I like moments like this.
Me too.
Just simple dinner at home.
Simple things matter.
They really do.
Can I have more rice?
Of course.
Thank you.
Eat slowly.
I can't.
Too hungry?
Too delicious.
That's a good compliment.
You deserve it.
Thanks.
We should teach people this recipe.
Maybe one day.
Cooking without onions.
Please stop.
Sorry,
You're impossible.
but lovable.
Maybe.
I'll take maybe.
Did you learn any cooking words today?
Yes.
Tell me.
Chop.
Good.
Slice.
Nice.
Fry.
Great.
And sizzling.
Very good.
What does sizzling mean exactly?
It's the sound food makes in a hot pan.
Ah, I like that word.
Me too.
English can sound delicious sometimes.
That's true.
I think learners can use these phrases at home.
Yes, simple daily English is important.
Real English helps more,
Exactly.
not just textbook English.
Real conversations are better for listening.
And speaking too.
Don't worry about perfect English.
Just keep practicing.
Small steps every day.
Listen and repeat.
Speak slowly.
And enjoy the process,
English can be fun.
especially with food.
Everything is better with food.
True.
Thanks for cooking with me tonight.
Thanks for teaching me.
Same time tomorrow.
Only if we buy onions.
Good night.
Good night.